Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level on your Volkswagen Polo MK4 9M3. The engine is warm and you let it stay in a garage, for example, on a flat surface for about 5 minutes, and then you can open the car hood. And under the car hood you can see your engine bay, and there is an orange dipstick on the area you can detect, and this dipstick you pull out, and then of course first step is to clean it a little bit by using a cloth, for example a paper cloth or something else. Then you get back this dipstick back into position and push it to the locked position. So push it, okay, job's done. Now you can pull it out again, and then you have on the dipstick a scale where you can read the oil level itself. And on the dipstick scale are two orange balls. Between them you can see the oil level, because there is the oil. Oh yeah. And between the orange balls, up and the bottom ball, there is 1 liter range of oil level. If the oil level is in this area, everything is fine. That means the upper orange ball is the maximum top up zone, and the bottom orange ball is the minimum zone. If you're between these two zones, everything is good and you does not need to top up again. But if you are above the ball, you have to drain out a little bit of oil, and you have to check the oil. If the oil is a little bit gray, you will have coolant, water coolant, and in the oil. That means you have a little problem on it. If the oil is under the ball, under the bottom ball, you can top up 1 liter until you reach the area between the upper and bottom orange ball again. After you read this, good job. Then you can push back the oil dipstick into position, and you can, if it is in the range, you can drive away with a good feeling, of course. If it is necessary to top up your oil a little bit, open the big cover on the center position of your engine, and then first have a look and smell it a little bit, because if you smell new oil and the oil inside your engine and there is a big difference, that means you are a short circuit driver maybe. Then of course you have to look that each year you have to replace the oil. But if you have to top up, only dip the oil into this oil refill point there. If you top up oil, job's done. Then close it and go away again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.